Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right pad and tools so your scribble space becomes reliable under pressure. Choose A4 or legal for consistent scaling, then set up pens, pencil, eraser, and ruler in fixed spots. Once done, label the first page with a practice question ID and current time so you can track pace. Make sure to number every page and mark page purpose, sketches, rough, or final, so you don't waste time flipping when the clock tightens. You proceed by turning structure into habit while solving. Start each problem with a one-line objective so your scribbles stay directed. Then assign 1 or 2 pages and sketch a small roadmap, formulas in a box, steps with arrows, final results shaded. Once in the middle of a complex derivation, annotate assumptions and units in the margin and compute quick error bounds to decide if deeper checks are needed. This keeps your scratch pad readable and useful for review under time pressure. You finish by consolidating clarity and creating a quick audit trail. Transfer only final answers to the official sheet, confirming units, signs, and question ID. Then cross-mark the pad pages you used and write a one-line reasoning bullet so you can revisit easily. If something looks wrong, stop and rework the last page from step 1 with numbered steps and a fresh timestamp to isolate the error. This habit both prevents lost marks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.